Next one, diversification. So diversification is the process of adding more products or services to the existing one. I am not satisfied with the existing products. I want to expand my product base. So that is going to be diversification. Example, L&T is a construction industry, but now they are into engineering company and cement. You have L&T info system. They are into IT domain also. Life insurance, LIC was into insurance only. Now LIC is also. These are the different diversification of new companies what we have seen. So horizontal, same type of product is added to existing one. So you have what is called as horizontal and vertical. And horizontal means same type of product is added. So the newly found product will be almost similar to the existing one. Example, the TVS group of companies. They make the same type of scooters. They make only scooters. Assume that the scooters are going to be different varieties of scooters they are going to make. Next one is vertical. Vertical means complementary products are added to the existing one. So completely different products you will add. You car manufacturers using electronic equipment. Assume that you have a Ford car, and Ford car assume the air conditioning unit inside the car is manufactured by Ford. The speaker systems inside the car is manufactured by Ford. So for the area of business for Ford is only car, but they are not stopping with the car. They are also manufacturing all the electronic equipment used in the car. Okay, that is vertical. Horizontal means same product, right? Vertical means completely different. Concentric means related to the existing business. The KPN travels you have, they have started KPN parcel service. That parcel service will use the travels bus to transport the goods. This is the existing business. How can I relate the new business? Conglomerate means entering into business not related to existing business. So you're completely new business you are entering without having knowledge about. Priorly, you don't have any knowledge. You're completely entering the new business. It is not for related to your existing business. The advantages, effective use of resources. You can minimize the risk. The competitive strength is very good. Tide over business, but even if one product fails, it's like other product will be running. So you will have a constant business running. And disadvantages, a business organization requires additional resources. So when you are going to start manufacturing a new product, definitely you have to replicate all the resources once again. The cost will be increasing. So you have to be prepared for investing additional resource, additional money or additional things. That has to be taken care for diversity.